Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to the AHCC Health channel. Today we are talking about glossophobia or fear of public speaking stage fright. Let's start it. Adrenaline or epinephrine is a hormone and neurotransmitter which produced by the adrenaline gland. It's released into a bloodstream and brain. The excessive quantity or amount of adrenaline triggers fear of public speaking or glossophobia. The sign and symptom. The adrenaline is a fight or flight hormone. The surge of the hormone increases physical symptoms, rapid heartbeat, sweating, trembling hand and feet, surly voice or trembling voice, nausea, dizziness, dry mouth. Emotional symptom: anxiety, fear of public embarrassment, fear of failure, self-doubt, panic. Behavioral sign: avoid public speaking, fidgeting, difficulty concentrating, blushing, peevishness. These are the signs and symptoms of stage fear or public speaking fear or glossophobia. The treatment plan is Tau medicine, Equinite 1 mg, 5 drops in a quarter cup of water before public speaking or going to the stage. For regular use to avoid glossophobia or fear of stage, Gelsemium 1 mg, 5 drops in a quarter cup of water weekly, and Argentine nitricum OD means twice a day, 5 drops in morning and 5 drops in night in a quarter cup of water till to confidence level built up. Thank you for watching AHCC Health channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more expert advice. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.